Hello and welcome back. This meditation session is for sissy girls. Male to female transformation. Allowing girls to find their place in the universe. And today, we are getting into the mindset of the beauty queen, the pageant goddess, a beauty of a woman you could only dream of. Competitive, fierce beauty. She has the hair, the makeup, and creativity. A title holder. A winner and inspiration. When you meet her, she commands the room. Her posture and movements, feminine and divine. The gowns, the jewelry, true feminine perfection. Seamlessly energetic. A pageant is like a job interview. This is her career. She has the drive and ambition. Modeling, performing, and at personal interviews. She is everything. So polished. So practiced. Her confidence and love overflows into the room. You are honored to be in her presence. She is adored. At the temple of the sisterhood. A wise sister once said, "The woman on the top of the mountain. She did not fall there. So let's breathe and believe. Channeling all our love and positivity. Feeling the support of your sisters. Become the pageant queen as she captures the crown. As she gets into the mindset to show off in the only way a queen can. Lapping up the adoration. With all the other girls. This is the pinnacle of feminine beauty. Do you want to play? The lights. The atmosphere. Girls and judges. It is electrifying. So girly. Glamour beyond belief. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Like a circle. In. and out. With each breath in, you are becoming the pageant queen, a true goddess. An inspiration. Such a beauty. A true winner. Breathe and believe. Together, let's imagine in your mind's eye. Get ready to say your name because welcome to Pageant Day. Please head backstage to get ready. Let's begin. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the honor and privilege to present to you your pageant queen, Miss. Repeat your mantras in your mind. Use your energy and love. You are here to participate. You know why you are here. You are grateful for the opportunity to show off your femininity. You are not nervous. You are excited. You are a winner. The best girl. Your name is. You want to show off. Like a good girl. You are respectful and ready. You feed off of the attention people show you. Positive energy makes your girl come alive. You walk with elegance and grace. You are the queen. You should see yourself in the crown. Each time you compete, you erase your masculinity. You are comfortable backstage. As well as out front. Everybody you need to has got to know you. You are familiar. You are smart. You have made time to speak to the MC. You are healthy and happy. Today is your day. Your look is consistent. This is your skill. You ooze femininity. You smile all the time. You can do your own hair and makeup. Your gown is altered. You have the tightest tuck. You can stay in position for hours. Practicing like a champion. You are prepared and it shows. You are the most talented. In the talent category. Your presence at registration makes other queens quit. You are a role model. You are used to it. You are familiar with the judges. You are polite and delightful to all. You listen and can learn from the experience. You look expensive. You are royalty and are treated as such. You hold the space. You are ready to go on. You think on your feet. You glide in your heels. Your movements are effortless. You acknowledge the room. You make a great first impression. Your body is in shape. You use gestures and expressions. You really can smile for hours. Your face muscles are so strong. You are well spoken. For the interview, you have rapport with the judges. Your answers are short. The MC holds the mic. You share the space. Together. You can answer the question. You know all your lines. You look at the photographers with a smile. You react like a youthful teen. You are feminine excellence. You are the queen. Every angle. Every movement shows off your feminine grace. You are so happy when you compete. It brings you pleasure. Only a woman can know. Entering the pageant makes your heart happy. You can maintain your pace and balance for hours. You know your positions. Your body is always ready. You've got the intent and authenticity. You accept the title with humility. A positive mind believes and achieves. You are such a good girl. Everyone supports you. You humbly accept the love you receive. You're flexible and patient with the skills to speak. You can model, entertain, and reach your peak. You inspire others. Everywhere you go, you have thought it through. And you know, not everything will go to your plan. But you have got this. This is your day. You think on your feet and expect a little drama. That you handle like a goddess. Your head held up high, like a queen. Keeping your cool, holding your nerve. You get the title you deserve. Hair and outfits sorted well in advance. Running through the schedule feels like a dance. You've made up your face 1,000,000 times. You know how to make yourself look divine. You earn your reputation, looking stunning in your gown. You are consistently persuasive, capturing your crown. You love to be seen. You are the queen.